wado wakobecha mavo mawana bodona and then na mi me iseri no nere let's say proverb of the day. I say no na koye Orhogba di bie osho ero-o. Orhogba di bie osho ero-o. O tanana isenana o mo mutete o imu nyoma mo oni me take be mo an Orhogba di bie mo me osho ero-o. And after thinking over this proverb time and time again, in case you are in a situation, you are being undecisive, you are at a position of making some key decision in your life, and you are skeptical about the outcome, about the repercussion, about the turnout of events, you don't know what to do, you are being undecisive, I'm telling you to make that bold step today, because Orhogba di bie osho ero-o. Now, for the sake of those who do not understand Urhobo very well, or who don't even understand Urhobo at all, Orhogba is farmedge. Di bie is only dark. Osho ero-o. There is nothing to be afraid of beyond it or in it. In fact, what I'm not about obobie, you think that as you step into it, ubido erieda iwe kokoweti etito ewo ekedie Orhogba urbedia ebri ome and enwe blazobi okuku oya bo Urhobo koyi tane Orhogba omleye di bie osho ero-o. Ade no osho Orhogba na paso sole Orhogba na to bo shimle kwa wena wude sewe udu gaga udu ogare. You have belief in yourself. You have God. Kebo osha foresi Adolf Hitler. Otani eri no pura konawa ogene ungo kukubo ani jokubo lem okai kwefu lo mle no gele ngogoke oyiku du coin oyibo si God. Ano kai kwetoye ano kono gele ngogoka yo. Yes. Orhogba di bie osho ero-o. Obene mi won mi to bon mi kunara kurowana kona. Asamida gware esiku. Awari evule on the border of the river Ethiopia. Boda wa gwamable. Oblele wu ebebori na river Ethiopia na. Ekori bebu elo ipiku oregbe obone ajatito ibumamo. As of today in Ethiopia they are already extinct. But owe okwo le awade pe wakina okuna ese Orhogba bie itu okiana gba mi bis mi Urhobo misalbona nona so borosha na lulu nere Orhogba bie so you don le bosele muke ole jibeli eti okedi Orhogba bie na meta na ke no Orhogba bie de osho ero-o. Ono no share lo o toro kuna oyiko egbere ni o toro kuna oyo wa pinoko owo pinoko oda mi aboyi dari oderife oda lo wa yoyibo odi ribirie o toro Urhobo oda fo ko boroye Orhogba bie tepire taire demole ada de okona asokito bana mole ayo pinoko osana wuro in fact to wule bese ekiri gbigbo na mi gbe na as a testament to the fact that he actually lived. Oriental Greek, that is hybrid palm fruit. Let's also lebego uriana osana ikaye ugbori Orhogba di bie. Then let me monachana. What could be more fearful and dreadful than being a stowaway to a land you have never been to before? To a land you know nobody. To a land, to a climb that you have never been. You don't have the future is totally unpredictable. You could even die in the process. Or the okay, and now that we now have a passenger ship. A cargo ship or that they will spend months on end. It's okay, you know, Oshana, all no told okuna. You know, oh, talk on that could be that could be a metaphorical Orhogba, the farm edge, which is always dark. But all Orhogba na. Your Riwomleni, Orhogba di bie, ero-o. He went there, he came back, successful, founded his own village with a white woman, and his children are all abroad as I speak to you. In the UK. Omena, jana mimi na nazo chana kyo mwavu wazona. Mi tona, mi wo you do your wawo. Ne emugbebu wo kunolwe na le bo wa ni esu wo okelo na. Davi wo kedie. Nothing no shero. Oshona if wherever what I want you will know that something better, something great is actually there. What I want, me for Bokamle Borobana, you say, be Akiko, Ruzo, Ola Wendy, or your being, maybe a Hubu or Yellow Fuako, Yellow, a Wepa, Sasa, Nioma, I will come there. If Orhogba odese be udu ogaga understand mo eti na mde kota no na yo anota de bunu odu taru di so wa ake I do di champagne I like that ale did and you know lórí mi àwọn èèyàn ó tẹ̀lé bàbá àdó.